Joe here with Rogue Fabrication. We are about to call Lance Johnson. He won our over $3,250 tubing bender package as the grand prize for our swag drawing in July, August of 2022. So we're gonna give him a ring and let him know he won. We did a live video to announce the winner and we're pretty sure he wasn't there. So let's see exactly how surprised he is.
Hello?
Hi, this is Joe with Rogue Fabrication. Am I speaking with Lance?
You're speaking with Lance, Joe. How you doing?
Perfect, Lance. I'm doing just fine. How are you doing this fine afternoon?
Sitting at a car show, so can't get much better.
No, man, car shows are fantastic. You entered our drawing in July and August, and then we had a video that we had on YouTube, and we announced the winners in second place and third place. Did you happen to catch that video?
I did not know.
Okay, if you would have watched it, you would have actually heard us call your name for the grand prize.
What?
Yeah, seriously, you won a $3,279 tubing bender package from us.
I did.
Yeah, you did. You're the grand prize winner. So you seriously got the long sleeve t-shirt and you won.
Yes, yes. And I replied to one of the comments with my fingers crossed.
Yeah, that's so funny. Yeah, well, good thing you crossed your fingers. Yeah, you totally won. And I didn't see in your history that you had our bender yet. So you can upgrade from that package and pay any difference, or you can just give us a few bucks for shipping. We'll send that exact one to you. It's a M625.
Yeah, no, definitely. I got a project now that I need the thing for. So I mean, wow, fantastic.
Perfect. What's your project, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm actually building a mini Hoonigan truck, Hoona truck, with a GSR 1100 motor.
Like a 2/3 scale or something?
It's actually a Wisconsin Super Sport truck. I don't know if you're familiar with them. There's a race series that they have these little mini trucks. So
that's probably like a Legends-sized car. That's awesome.
Exactly.
You'll have a bender to work on it with. This is a M625, our heaviest duty machine, with a thin wall roller. Comes with hydraulics, so it's going to be a sweet package. We'll send you an email with all the details. And honestly, huge congratulations on winning. And is it okay if we record this call and just make it into a video? It's going to be me talking.
Absolutely.
Obviously, I have no video of you since I can't see you.
Sure, absolutely.
Cool, perfect. Well, we'll post that on YouTube so people can see that we're, doing what we do and saying what we say and
sure.
all that.
No, I've been trying for months, and I've been trying, and I'm like stoked right now. I can't.
Perfect. Well, enjoy the car show and bask in the joy of winning a tubing bender. So we'll reach out to you, and we appreciate you participating in the drawing.
Thank you so much. I look forward to your email. Appreciate it.
Fantastic.
Keep up the good work, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. You bet.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Well, those phone calls are always super fun to have. Lance picked up the phone. He's at a car show, so he's going to build a mini Hoonigan truck with a GSXR 600 street bike motor in it. So it's going to be honestly a really cool project. We're probably going to reach back out to him and see how that build's going, because that could be some really cool content to share with you guys. Leave us comments down below. Let us know what you would build if we called you and told you you want a tubing bender.